Well, two persons have been arrested in connection with alleged attempts to destabilize the Rajasthan government. They are being questioned and will be produced before a court. Now, over 20 Congress MLAs in Rajasthan have alleged that the BJP was trying to topple the Ashok Gehlot government in the state. They've accused the top leadership of the BJP of luring legislators. The CM, Ashok Gehlot, has also named BJP leaders as those who have been approaching his MLAs and offering them as much as 10 to 15 crores to switch sides and destabilize the state government. Well, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan accusing the BJP leaders, especially Satish Punia and Rajvardhan Singh Rathore, of attempting to destabilize the government and trying to lure the Congress MLAs over to the BJP side by offering them between 15 to 20 crores. The BJP has completely dismissed these allegations, but the Rajasthan government currently, the Congress government, on tenterhooks in the state.
कि एक तरफ तो हम जीवन और आजीविका बचाने में लगे हुए हैं और दूसरी तरफ लोग सरकार गिराने में लगे हुए हैं। मुझे व मेरे साथियों को, मेरे मंत्रिमंडल के साथी है, विधायक हैं, कांग्रेस के नेता हैं, सबको सरकार बचाने के लिए संघर्ष करना पड़ता है। सरकार कैसे घिरे, किस प्रकार से तोड़फोड़ करे, खरीद फरोख्त करे, ये तमाम काम में लगे हुए हैं।
राज्यसभा के चुनाव के समय जिस तरह की परिस्थितियां पैदा की गई, मैंने इसी जगह पर बैठ करके आप सब पत्रकार मित्रों के माध्यम से कहा था कि ये ऐसी फिल्म है जिसकी स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, जिसके प्रेडिट निर्माता, जिसके निर्देशक और अभिनेता सब एक ही व्यक्ति है। आपसी विग्रह का समाधान करने के लिए हमारी पार्टी को बदनाम करना, हमारी पार्टी के लोगों को बदनाम करना, उनके माध्यम से उनका नाम लेकर के और जो है अपने पार्टी के विग्रह में के विग्रह बिखराव को टारगेट करके अपने ही पार्टी के अध्यक्ष को निपटाना, इस सब की प्रक्रिया का हिस्सा है। मुझे लगता है कि पटाक्षेप करने के लिए इस तरह का जो है ये मुकदमा भी दर्ज किया गया है और पटाक्षेप करने के लिए इस तरह की मनगढ़ंत कहानी भी रची गई।
Arvind joins us from Jaipur for more on this story. Now, Arvind, it was one thing to be making a political allegation, but now the police have intervened, arrested two people. What more can you tell us about their alleged role and this investigation?
Yes, that's right. Two separate incidents which are interrelated have happened today in Rajasthan. Is that one major incident is that Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot himself has come out and alleged he has named the state president of BJP, Satish Punia, along with the leader of opposition, Gulab Chand Kataria, and deputy leader of opposition, Rajendra Rathore, that these people are trying to destabilize the state government, which he says that it is a crime to destabilize an elected government, and that is why the Chief Minister himself has come out and alleged on the BJP that they should not do these kind of activity. In a separate incident, the SOG of Special Operation Group of Rajasthan Police has registered an FIR on Friday late evening, in which they have named two people. One person they have named is Ashok Singh, who belongs to Udaipur, and he was being investigated in some kind of illegal arms activity in Rajasthan. And second person is Bharat Malani. He is a chartered accountant by profession. He belongs to Byawar town in Ajmer district of Rajasthan, and it is being said that he has been a BJP functionary in touch with a top leader of BJP. But these are the allegations. SOG of Rajasthan has registered this case against these two people. What they claim that they are being investigated by the SOG, but the sedition charges had been put on these people under section 124A, which is directly an IPC section of sedition, and 120B, which is a criminal conspiracy. So clearly the IPC section which has been put in this case by the SOG would need to be dealt with very legal way, because the whole process in which the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has come out, and even the FIR which has been registered by SOG is saying some conversation between these two people who've been now arrested about Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot clearly indicate that there is an impression in the Congress party in Rajasthan that Sachin Pilot somehow is conspiring with the BJP people to destabilize the state government. What the fact of the matter in Rajasthan is that Sachin Pilot has been PCC president for last 6 years and more time, and clearly Ashok Gehlot, the
Right.
Chief Minister of Rajasthan, now also wants control on the organization, and that is why, though there are no things on the ground about the horse trading and other charges which are being alleged, but still now if Chief Minister has come out, then SOG would have to prove the case. Back to you.
Right. Arvind, thanks so much for joining us. Plenty of political developments happening in Rajasthan. We'll track those closely.